Hi friends! Thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Maciel and today we're vlogging. Why are we vlogging? Because I'm cutting my hair. So the last time that I cut my hair was in 2015 and I cut it pretty short, like shoulder length, and I'm planning on doing that again this time around. So this is the length right now. It's really damaged, which is why I'm cutting it, but it's like almost at my booty. I'm going to be donating probably my hair. I'm looking for the right organization that will be willing to take my hair because it's dyed, bleached, all of that. But I think there are some companies that will, or organizations that will take my situation of hair. But I'm going to vlog the whole experience. I just wanted you guys to see what I look like before. And I'll probably see you guys at the hair salon. So I just pulled up to the mall. That's where my appointment's gonna be at. I will leave the information on the girl that is actually cutting my hair down below. I'm kind of nervous, but like hair grows back and I know it's gonna go to a good place, someone who needs it more than me. But anyways, I'm excited. I will bring you guys inside.
So you can actually see it?
He wanted a contract.
Hey guys, so I'm home. This is the final look. This is my robe, by the way, but this is my final look. The hair transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog, hair transformation video. Let me know what you guys think of my hair. If you live in Atlanta, or yeah, just Atlanta, and you're interested in getting your hair cut by the same person that cut my hair, her name is Kayla, and all her information will be in my description box. Also, she has this apprentice that helps her out named Beth, and she's awesome. Both girls were just amazing. They like kept the conversation going, kept the vibes all good, and got me super excited about cutting my hair. So like, if you're nervous to cut it, you need motivation, go to them. But yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm planning on doing like maybe short hairstyle videos and hair care routine because this time around I really want to take care of my hair. Anyways, I hope you guys love this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. I will catch you guys in my next video, and I've said this video a lot of times. Subscribe, yeah, subscribe, and I love you guys.